Hey guys, this is Animesh and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here in front of you as usual with another video, and today we'll be unboxing a laptop accessory which is a mouse, and in fact a wireless mouse. So guys, stay tuned, and today we'll be unboxing the Logitech wireless mouse, and the name of the mouse is Logitech M235 Wireless Mouse, that is M25 wireless mouse. So today we'll be unboxing and taking our first look, and I'll be reviewing it, and let's see our first impressions with the mouse. So as my primary mouse, I was using my Circle wireless mouse, Circle gaming wireless mouse, so it was performing quite good. And today we'll be using another mouse which is from Logitech, and the model number is M235, that is M235. So let's have a look on this. So as you can see, this is the box of the wireless mouse, and let's unbox this, and I'll be showing you how it works on laptop and what is the latency and is there any lag or not. So first up, we can see a manual which is not needed, as nobody reads manuals, and we all know how the wireless mouse works. It is plug in and play gadget. So let's see our main component, that is the mouse. So it has come in a great packaging, so thumbs up for that. And in fact it is having some polybag or a polythene film around it. So let's take that out first, and as we move we'll see the mouse closely. And the mouse first impression is that it is quite fancy, guys. As you can see, this mouse looks quite good in the build quality, and there is some arrow, don't know what is that. So let's see what's this arrow is. And this is the mouse itself. It's written B175, don't know what that means, but yeah, here's the on and off button. So this is now in the position of off, and this is on. And if we see, okay, so this is the battery component, and one AA battery is pre-installed in this. So let's see. And in fact Logitech claims this battery to last 1 year, and we'll check that out what happens. So my first impressions on the mouse is this mouse is quite responsive, but we'll check it when we plug it in the laptop. So till now this is the mouse, and the scroll wheel is quite good and made of rubber, and in clicking also it is quite suitable for gaming, I guess, because these clicks are quite satisfying. And let's read something which has come from the manufacturer, or what the manufacturers say about the mouse. So talking about the price, meanwhile, I got this for 500 rupees as a sale day. So actually this has the cost printed of 650 rupees, but I got this for 500. So let's see what the manufacturers say about the mouse. So here it goes, guys. The Logitech M235 wireless mouse is a computing accessory that allows you to navigate through your PC effectively. The high effective mouse comes with a compact size and a sturdy body that is easy to carry and highly durable. The ergonomic design offers better grip and enables you to access comfortable usage. This mouse liberates you from the hassle of wires, and it comes to wireless connectivity. So guys, I quite love my wireless mouse because I don't love wires, because they are quite tangling and they disturb you while you use the mouse. So I don't prefer wired mouse, and in fact I don't use wired mouse, and I don't recall when I used the wireless or the wired mouse last. So yeah, this was the with Logitech Advanced Optical Tracking System. You can enjoy better navigation and accuracy, more accuracy with advanced tracking system and sturdy body. In this durability of the wireless mouse is armed with the Logitech Advanced Optical Tracking System and delivers perfect accuracy. So guys, this mouse seems to be quite accurate, and the system requirements, as we talk about system requirements, this comes with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS X 10.5 or later, Chrome OS, Linux kernel 2.6 plus, USB port, and this is wireless operating system is approx 10 meters, 1 AAA battery, and the battery life is 12 months as guaranteed by Logitech. So we'll see that, and the dimensions of the mouse is 55 mm into 95 mm into 38.6 mm, and this has a limited 3-year hardware warranty. The adapter of the mouse is located bottom of the panel. As you can see, the port, I don't see where is the port, but let's find it, and here it is guys, and this is quite tricky as there is no port here, you can see, but as you can see now, this has a port itself, and as you can see, this is the port, and let me take this out. Talking about the port itself guys, the port looks quite premium, and we'll see that after using on a laptop. So we'll see how portable is this, and let's see how good is that while performing. So as you can see, this is the port. So guys, quickly let's get the laptop started in 3 2 1. So guys, as you can see, my laptop is switched on, and as you can see, this is the port, and we are just plugging the port in and turning on the mouse. So let's see what happens next. So this has a sound, so that means the mouse is working guys, and it is quickly set up. So guys, this has not even take 1 second, this not even took 1 second. As soon as I plugged, this started working. As you can see, the cursor is moving. So let us click something and let's see how is the response. So guys, the response is quite good. As you can see, the mouse is moving and clicking quite well. And here I turn on the internet, and this is the computer settings. So as you can see, and by the way, my camera's battery is dying out, so I'll be cutting off the video shortly. So as you can see, this is the mouse and the cursor. So let's get back, and yeah, this is working quite well guys. As you can see, this is quite good, and I am impressed with the mouse. So at last I want to conclude that you can just go for this, and it is a quite low and affordable budget of 500 rupees for a wireless mouse that works so nicely. So this is the only video for you about the Logitech wireless mouse, and the only con or the disadvantage of this mouse I didn't like the feature of the mouse is this. Yeah guys, you are seeing it right, and I did not like this. I did not like the port or the adapter for the mouse, and my reason is quite valid, cause you can see this is the mouse, and let me turn on the brightness. So as you can see, this is the mouse compartment, and you need to just push this down to open this and take out your port or the adapter from the mouse, and it is not convenient according to me. By taking out and taking in this compartment so oftenly, like when you will use it, you need to take this out. When you are done with your work, you need to put this in back, and you need to plug this in right away. So I did not like this thing, and yeah, there is a on and off button which I did not like, cause wireless mouse just does not need to be fitted with this button, as we need to turn on and off quite frequently. So these are only the two disadvantages of this mouse. So guys, this was the video, and hope you liked the video. For that, please hit a like and drop a big fat thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, and you know what I do, what is the channel about, what stuff is posted on the channel. And if you're new, please subscribe and ring the notification bell icon. If you have any query or you want to contribute anything, please participate in the comment section below. And my battery is dying off, my camera's battery is low. So this was it guys, thanks for watching and have a great day guys.